So today we'll be in Port St Lucie checking out a new construction model home in a private community. Recently, I've been able to get clients of mine deals on homes that are move-in ready and incentives when they want to build. So if you are looking for a home here in South Florida, reach out to me personally and I can help you too. So this model is one of their starting sizes for a single family home in the community, coming in at 1,694 square feet under air with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. And while I typically put pricing information in the description of each of my videos, since these homes are always under construction, they're quicker delivery or quick move-in homes, pricing and availability as well as incentives change monthly. But to give you a better idea, a home just like this would be in the 400s. Walking up to the model, this is their craftsman style elevation, but they also build with coastal and contemporary exteriors as well. This floor plan has a split layout with bedrooms all separated from one another for maximum privacy and a long foyer that leads out to the open concept kitchen, dining, and great room at the center of the home. And the community where they build this home in Port St Lucie is a more established active adult resort community, so you don't have to wait for promised amenities to be built. You can just jump right in and plug into the lifestyle. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I am an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you will be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. The builders are happy to work with me and all of my clients and subscribers that I bring by, and they compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance throughout the process. So if you're interested in this home or something similar to this here in Port St Lucie, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.